10 amazing facts about Sabaa Qamar. First, Sabaa Qamar is a Pakistani actress and TV personality. Second, Sabaa Qamar was born on 5th April 1984 in Gujranwala, Pakistan. Third, her early education was in Gujranwala. She did her BA from Lahore and started her professional life. Fourth, in 2004, Sabaa Qamar began her acting career with the PTV television series Main Aurat Hoon. Fifth, she made special appearances in Hera Fairy and Company and the Punjabi anthology series Jagbiti. Sixth, in 2007, Qamar appeared in major ATV serials like Khuda Gawah and Mohabbat Ab Nahi Hogi. Seventh, in 2008, she starred in dramas such as O Subha Kab Aayegi, Not Responding, and Nawab Manzil. Eighth, from 2016 to 2018, Qamar appeared in dramas like Main Sitara, Besharam, and Chik. Ninth, she made her Bollywood debut with Hindi Medium in 2017. 10th, in 2022, Qamar made her film comeback with Kamli and Ghabrana Nahi Hai. Subscribe the channel.